Hey there. See you're cooking something tasty. Quick tip, it's safer if you put the pan on the back burner and turn the handles inward. That way, little fingers can't reach up and accidentally get hurt.
Oh, I didn't even think of that. That's a great idea. Hello? Oh, let me double check for you.
Leaving cooking food unattended is one of the top causes for house fires. Even just a minute away can be dangerous. Don't panic, stay calm. First, turn off the burner. If it's safe, cover the pan with the lid to smother the flames. Never use water on it, it can make the fire worse. Let's go over key points for kitchen safety. Always turn pot and pan handles inward. Use back burners when possible. Never leave cooking food unattended. Kids should never cook without an adult. If there's a fire, stay calm. Turn off the burners and use a lid to smother flames. If that doesn't work, leave the house, call 911.
Thanks for the tips. I'll be extra careful from now on.
That's what we like to hear. Safe cooking saves lives.